see 4 strips of tulle, but in reality there are 16 of them. The first, second, third and fourth, and the same in the rest of the stack. The width of each strip is 25 centimeters. The length of each strip is 300 centimeters. I will explain using the example of blue tulle. In a roll, these 300 centimeters are folded into 4 more layers. The first, second, third and fourth. Therefore, you see not 300 but 75 centimeters. I folded the whole piece of tulle into 4 other layers, like this. The first, second, third and fourth. Therefore, after I cut out 4 strips, as a result I got 16 strips of tulle. I hope you understand.